Next, we're going to talk about diplomas, transcripts, and college graduation. All right, so for diplomas, you as a homeschooling mom, as your own private school, you can go ahead and create your own child's diploma. If you don't know how to do this, do not worry. I am going to have a link for you guys to print out a kindergarten it's not called a diploma certificate, a kindergarten certificate, one for 5th grade, one for 8th grade, and a high school diploma. It's all in the package. Don't worry, I got you. I know when you're starting, this can be a little difficult, but yes, as your own private school, all you're gonna have to do is edit the name of your school, put in your child information and print. That is it. You create your own diploma. You don't need anyone else to do it for you. So as far as the transcripts are concerned, I'm also gonna have another PDF for you down below that you can edit and print. In the PDF that you see, I'm going to fill it in with the Texas standards. All you have to do is go to your state website and see the standards for graduation, and you can make sure that your children are taking those courses while they are in high school. Usually it's like algebra 1 and 2 and English, So my kids are not at that stage yet, but I have been looking into it for you guys. And so like I said, I will fill it out. And all you have to do is go on your own education website in your state, type in the requirements for high school graduation. They're going to tell you the classes that needs to be completed. And over the next course of the 4 years, or some homeschool parents, they do it in 2, or some of them, they do have homeschool and have college classes. You can also do that too, because college classes count for double. But like I said, I will be linking the sample transcript below that you can edit and you can print out yourself. So one of the next big questions is, can my homeschooler get into college? Not only can they get into a community college, but even Ivy League college have accepted homeschoolers. So you have to know in advance what school you want your homeschooler to go to, what school they want to go to. And then as you're doing their transcript, you can put in certain things that a specific college is looking for, like community service or, different things that you can add to your child's transcript to make them, look better, whether it be public speaking events or whatever. 69% of homeschoolers successfully graduate college, and that is actually higher than public school children. And colleges are actually preferring homeschool students to attend because of their success rate. And according to ies.ed.gov, they said students who are homeschool earn higher 1st and 4th GPAs. So we are there. Don't worry. Like I said, your homeschoolers are going to do fine. A homeschool diploma has no more or no less bearing than a public school. So you don't have to worry about if your diploma is going to be valid, because it will be valid. Like I told you guys, I was homeschooled in high school myself, and I went to a community college and I didn't have any problem getting in. I don't even recall going there with like a transcript or anything. I just checked the box saying that I was homeschooled. And when you go to college, you take the exams to enter. So I took the exams, I got my classes. I didn't have any headaches. More than likely, you won't either. So don't even put too much pressure on yourself about the whole transcript or diploma thing, because they understand that there are millions of homeschoolers and they graduate every day. One of the reasons why homeschoolers are so successful in college is because they're used to working at their own pace and, on their own, and they're doing their own thing. So when they go to college and say they're doing online classes, they're used to pulling up their classes, working on a schedule, and successfully completing things. So homeschool really does set them up to be successful in college. Also, another thing, most college classes last about an hour to an hour and 30 minutes, which is the same length of homeschooling. So really just an extension. It's an easy, smooth transition. One of the things your homeschoolers can also do to make their transcript look a little bit better is get a recommendation letter from maybe a place they have volunteered at, maybe you guys' place of worship. They can volunteer at the hospitals, police station, fire station. Like there's so many, even the vet hospitals. So there's so many different places that you could take your homeschoolers to volunteer that can write them a wonderful recommendation letter that they can have attached to their transcript, and this will make them look so much better. So I hope this answered all your questions pertaining to college, as far as if your homeschoolers can go to college. Do they do good in college? Will college accept them? Will their diploma be valid? The answer is yes, 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 and yes.